Hey, Prop and Stats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 8 Tuesday. I'm sorry that I'm not able to be there in person, so you're probably watching this video at school for the hybrid days. And I hope you guys had a good fall break, but I had a last minute appointment that came up with one of my kiddos, and so I'm not here during first or second period, but I will be here for the remaining of the periods after first and second period. So if you need any assistance, please feel free to stop by or give me an email, and I'll be more than happy to accommodate it to whatever it is that you guys need. All right, go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the first question. In the table of negative 3, distribute it into the parenthesis with the distributive property. You get a negative 6x minus 18 equals 12. Opposite of negative 18 is a positive 18, and you want to add that on both sides. And so after that, you cancels, bring down the negative 6x, which then gives you a 30. How do you get rid of the negative 6 if it's negative 6 times x? Opposite of a times is a divide. So 6 cancels, so negative 6 cancels, x is by itself, and you have a negative 5. Now, if you would like to check your answer, you're always welcome to take the original equation, plug in the x, which is a negative 5. So 2 times negative 5 plus 6, does that equal 12? I'm going to put a question mark right there because we're checking. Well, PEMDAS says you have to multiply first, so that's a negative 10. Then you're going to focus everything inside the parenthesis. Negative 10 and 6 gives you a negative 4. And a double negative, when you multiply together, gives you a positive. So it does indeed equal each other. 12 equals 12. So check. All right, so when you guys did this on Monday, you had your textbook work on the second, or actually it's really the last section of 11.6, which is number 68 to 88 evens. And the focus was on the odds in favor of something happening and the odds against. So for number 76, 78, and so 80, if you tried it, you'll get the 1 point. But altogether, your total is out of 11 because there were 11 questions. You also have this question right here. And then also we went over the objective of number 13. I did go over B and D in class. However, if you want, let's go ahead and go over A and C. So this one is going to be a good review because we're going to have a quiz today. So let's take a look at this. Keyword here is in favor of. Drawing a heart. Well, how many hearts are there in a deck of cards? 13. There are 13 suites. It's from numbers 1 to 10. Then you have your Jack, Queen, and King. So then altogether, you have 13 cards that are hearts. So in favor of means you're going to take the probability of actually drawing a heart over the probability of not drawing a heart. So the probability of drawing a heart is 13 out of 52 because there are 52 decks in a, or say 52 cards in a deck of cards. What are the chances of not getting a heart? Well, if there are 13 hearts, 52 minus 13 is going to give you the number of cards that are not hearts. So 52 minus 13 is going to give you a 39. So these are non-heart cards. So 39 over 52. Now, yesterday in class, I asked you guys to go ahead and rewrite this. So it's a 13 over 52. Change from a divide to a times, which means you have to flip that. 52 cancels. And you have 13 times 19, or divided by 39, excuse me. So 13 over 39 is your answer. Now you could put that into a decimal and then convert that into a percentage. Now the next one we have is kind of the opposite of that. Against drawing a card. Against means that you're going to find the probability of not drawing a 9 divided by the probability of actually getting a 9. And if my pen would work, that would be great. So then let's take a look at this. Against drawing a 9 means that not getting a 9. Well, how many 9s are there in a deck of cards? There are 4 9s. So 52 minus 4 is going to give you a 48. So that's 48 over 52. Now getting a 9 is just 4 over 52. Rewrite this, you get 48 divided by 52 times 52 over 4, cross out the 52, and you get a 48 over 4. So your answer here is just 12. All right, so then let's go ahead and take a look at today. You have your quiz on 11.6 on odds in favor and against. You can use your notes. It's 9 questions, multiple choice. Afterwards, please view this video right here. And then in class, we will be doing over our quizzes. And then your homework tonight is just make sure you guys read ahead for 11.8 and review the examples from 11.1 to 11.7. I would suggest you guys go over to the guided notes with this one. Oh, actually, you know what? You have to turn in the white packet next time I see you guys in class. So just make sure your white packet is ready. All of the homework templates are filled out because that is due. All right, so I would suggest you guys go onto MS Team. Your quiz looks like this. It is 9 questions. If you want, you can pause the video and go ahead and answer it on a separate piece of paper. You don't need to write everything down. Just show me the work and tell me what the answer is, and then upload it on MS Team. If you're not sure where to find it on MS Team, I'll go ahead and show you. So once you get to MS Team, you're going to go to Probability and Stats. From Probability and Statistics, it says Week 8 Tuesday Assessment, Probability of Odds in Favor and Against. Go ahead and click on View Assignments, and you will have you'll be able to see right here, Week 8 Tuesday quiz. Click on that, and you will have this downloaded on a PDF. Now you could either print this out, or you could just go ahead and simply do it on a separate piece of paper, take a picture, and then upload it onto MS Team. All right, you guys, that's basically it. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and take care.